Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word jiggling. Jiggling, jiggling, jiggling. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The bowl of Jell-O was jiggling as the children ran around the table. Jiggling in this context refers to the gentle shaking or wobbling motion of the bowl of Jell-O caused by the movements of the children running around it. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.